In this video, we will learn how to install Krita on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Krita and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website krita.org and the download button is visible. It's written it is free and open source. Click the download button. It automatically detected that we are on Windows. So I'll just click here Windows installer. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Select the language. I'll click OK. The setup started. Click next. Accept the term. After that, click next. Krita will get installed in the following location and it will only take 567 MB. Click next. Under choose components, keep it as it is and click next. Click I agree. It will create a start menu folder, no problem. Click next. It will also create a desktop icon, not a problem. Click install. Now Krita will get installed. We have installed Krita. Click next. Click finish. We have installed Krita. It also created a desktop shortcut. If you want to start it, you can either click here or go to start, type Krita and click open. Krita will open for the first time. Krita started. Guys, for free tutorials, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.